Okay, so the second problem on the curved moving plates. A jet of water having a velocity of 40 meters per second. So V1 is 40 meters per second. Strikes a curved vane which is moving with a velocity of 20 meters per second. So curved vane which is moving with a velocity of 20 meters per second. So U1 is 20 meter per second, or U value is 20 meter per second. So next, what is saying? The jet makes an angle of 30 degrees, right? So again, same thing. V1 is making an angle of 30 degrees with respect to the direction of motion of the vane. So alpha is 30 degrees at inlet and leaves at an angle of 90 degrees to the direction of motion of the vane. So see here in the previous problem, he has given 130. Yes, in the 130 degrees, it is coming out. So we have calculated beta there. So here again, we need to calculate beta by using this. That is 180 minus 90 gives beta value, right? So this is not directly beta given to us. It is the jet coming out. So already I've shown what is that? This one. This was given 130. So same way here, he has given only 90 degrees. So this will come and join here, right? So 180 minus 90 again will be 90 only. So a vertical line will come, and we don't have the term VW2 when it is 90 degrees. That thing. That is why it is given, right? So 90 degrees to the direction of motion of the vane at outlet. So what is asking in this problem? Draw the velocity triangles at inlet and outlet. So is asking velocity triangles, to draw the velocity triangles. Anyway, for every problem we will draw, but separately is asking here. So you need to draw a little bit neatly also, right? So draw the velocity triangles at inlet and outlet and determine the vane angles. So again, he's asking the vane angles, theta and phi we need to calculate at inlet and outlet, so that the water enters and leaves the vane without shock. Again, same condition, without shock it is moving. So VR1 equal to VR2, right? So please copy the question a little bit faster. We need to finish this today. Okay, I'll wait for 2 minutes. Copy the question fastly. Almost same problem, but only difference is beta equal to 180 minus 90 gives 90 degrees. So what happens? At the outlet, V2 will come as vertical line. You don't get V2 as an inclined line. Okay. So that is the difference. Right. So I'm going for the next slide. So first write down the given data. Okay. So given data, velocity of the jet is given. V1 is 40 meters per second. Velocity of the blade or velocity of the vane is given 20 meters per second. Angle made by the jet at inlet alpha equal to 30 degrees. Angle made by the jet at outlet is 90. So beta equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90 degrees. So beta equal to 90 degrees. So at that time, we need to remember VW2 term will be equal to 0 and V2 line will be vertical. So we don't have any VF2. V2 and VF2 will coincide. Okay, remember that. So again, same conditions in these problems, U1 and U2 equal to 20, VR1 equal to VR2. Okay, copy this. So after checking the B2 value, then only you need to draw the velocity triangle, right? So roughly I'm showing here only the outlet triangle. Inlet already you know how to draw. So here there is a difference. We got 90 degrees. Okay, so first we will draw the blade, one triangle and one line incline. So this is alpha, theta. The length between these two is U1. Horizontal component is VW1. Yes, I'm drawing a little bit fastly. So this is V1. This is VR1 and VF1. So this is VW1 minus U1. So this is inlet triangle. And now what we have seen, we can see that the jet angle is coming at an angle of 90 degrees outside. So you'll get outside as 90 degrees. Okay, so this is with respect to horizontal given as 90 degrees. Right, so VR2 will come out. So this is VR2 and this will be V2. We don't have the vertical component VF2 here because angle is 90 degrees given. So this is also 90 degrees, which is beta. Okay, so this is the outlet angle which is given. We can find beta as 180 minus 90, again 90. So this is vertical. So what is the length between VR2 and V2 is U2 always. Right, so this angle for VR2 is 5. That's all. So this is the way of drawing the velocity triangle if beta is equal to 90 degrees. So here you can write V2 equal to VF2 also. Both same. Right? Any doubt here? How to draw this? Right. Roughly you can also draw. In the next slide I'll show the diagram anyway. Right. So now you can see what we need to find. We need to find the vane angle, which means angle made by relative velocities at inlet and outlet. Theta and phi. Same concept like last problem. So first we will find VF1 and VW1 from the inlet triangle. So what is VF1? VF1 is the horizontal vertical component of V1. VF1 is the vertical component of V1. So V1 sin alpha gives VF1. V1 cos alpha gives VW1. So V1 sin alpha. So 40 sin, what is the angle alpha? 30. 40 sin 30 equal to, tell me the value. Similarly, 40
20.
cos 30. Yes, tell me, madam. 20?
Yes, sir.
Only 20. Okay. 20 meter per second by cos 30. 40 cos 30 is
36.64, sir.
36.64 meter per second. Yes, Prasad?
34, sir. 34.64.
34.64. Yes, which one is correct?
34.64.
Which one is correct? Check it once, both of you.
34, sir.
Okay, 34,
34.64.
right. So 34.64 is VW1, right? So now from the triangle ABD, right angle triangle we need to use. From the right angle, sorry, from the triangle BCD, sorry, from the triangle BCD, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Already I said in the last case, last problem, same thing here. So VF1 by this length is VW1 minus U1, right? So all the values we have already. So you can find VF1 value we just now we calculated as 20 by VW1 is 34.64 minus what is the value of U? U value is 20. Right. So now you can calculate tan theta equal to 20 by this. So theta equal to tan inverse of 20 by 14.64. So theta equal to
53.7958.
53.79 theta.
58.
Okay, 79 true or 5. Right. So now we need to find VR1. So for finding VR1, we can take sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So VF1 by VR1. So substitute VR1 equal to VF1 by sin theta. So VF1 value is already there. 20 divided by sine of 53.795 what we have calculated just now. So 20 by sine 53.9795.
0.78, sir.
How much?
24.78.
24.78. Okay. 24.78 meter per second, which is also equal to VR2. You can write that. Which is also equal to VR2. Okay. Yes, if you have any doubt in this, you can ask. I think it is no doubt because it is the same thing which I had done for the last one also. Yes, just copy this. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Master, please draw the diagram neatly. You can see here everything is shown here. Draw the diagram neatly. So next, after finding this VR1 and VR2, whether you see in the question, he asked us only to find the only angles. He is not given to find any work done or anything. So only Vane angles we need to calculate. So here we have found a theta already, 53.795. So we need to find phi here, right? So remember, it is very easy when beta is 90 degrees, right? Simple. What you can take, we can take this triangle. So from this, you can take what we want. We want phi angle. So already we have VR2 value and we have U2 value. So this is adjacent by hypotenuse for this triangle. Okay, suppose if you take this as right angle, this is angle cos theta equal to U2 by VR2. If you use that, it will be easy to calculate, right? Very simple, right? So from the triangle E, F and G, cos phi equal to adjacent by hypotenuse of this triangle. Adjacent is U2. So U2 by VR2. So phi equal to cos inverse of U2 by VR2. Right? Very simple to calculate here. If you are having angle 90 degrees at outlet, phi angle we can calculate very easily. Then we can find VF2 also very easily. Okay, tell me the angle of phi. U2 value already given in the question, 20. VR2 just now we have calculated.
36.18, sir.
We got 36.18. Angle, right? So this is angle of phi, Vane angle at the outlet. Okay, so I think we have 5 minutes time. But anyway, we cannot complete one more problem today. So we'll go in the next class. So if you have any doubts in drawing the velocity triangles or anything else in this, which is very important topic, I'm already many times I said you. If you have any doubt how to draw anything, if you want, you can ask. Okay, Shashi, I think you have taken a screenshot. We'll take one more screenshot and send me, Shashi.